How we doing, everybody? I wanted to go over a few things some of my friends was asking me about as far as Bitcoin investing is concerned and my opinion on it right now. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just a regular old dude giving his opinion. Now, we go get into it though. A lot of people like to run into Bitcoin and think that okay, I can make a lot of money and stuff like that, but they just put their money in and they really don't keep track or know how the market actually fluctuates. Excuse me. Also, you guys, if you want to just hear me talk about the stock market or just give up, I made a new channel called Investing for, CARE 504 Investing. And that particular channel, I'm going to strictly just focus on stocks and Bitcoin. But let me give you a little heads up on what I'm looking at right now. This is my chart. All right, here, I have a lot of these things already pre-programmed. Bitcoin. When investing in Bitcoin, I always recommend that people use their charting skills. You got to learn how to chart if you're going to do this investing thing and get an idea of what the stock market doing or what the stock is or Bitcoin that you're looking for. Now, this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin took a hell of a hit right after November. Actually, I was talking to a couple of people and I was going to recommend that Bitcoin be sold. The ideal time to get in Bitcoin would have been right in here, right? Yeah, right here or right here. And that is 718. And I think this is around December. Right here. See if you got in right here with these trend lines and stuff like that. You could just ride Bitcoin and take the interest. I think it went from 33,000 here, right around in here, up to about 51. And see this major drop here, that's when I would have got out of Bitcoin and then got right back in Bitcoin here. Now, when you get in here, and once I set up, you could set an alert. I had an alert set for 44,000, as you can tell, which would have been right about here, which would have been good timing for Bitcoin. That's what I had told my buddies. Some of my friends, if you want to get in touch with me, you can email, email me at care504investing@gmail.com. And this was another little pop. See what Bitcoin, what I personally do, not recommend, I personally do, get in, ride that sucker. When it went up to 60 here, you can get out when it take a drop and drop down to, it went up to what, 65. When it came down to about 60, you could have got out. That way you could have got all of this interest and this profit off your money. You don't need a lot of money to invest in Bitcoin because you can do that with Cash App, PayPal, and damn near every other, investing app these days. But there's a time to get out. That way you're making your profit, taking your profit, and then you're out. Let Bitcoin fall. See, Bitcoin's falling doing a pretty good job of falling right now. But once again, I got my alert set up at 44,000. When it gets back up to 44,000, these trend lines here, damn, my mouse is acting up. These trend lines are crossed, and that may set off a buy signal similar to these. And that's when you get back into Bitcoin. Just keep in mind it to everybody, and just holler at me if you need me. They got a couple more stocks I'm gonna go off. Someone wanted me to go over ChargePoint, Tesla, things like that. Just send me a message, man. Care 504 investing and at gmail.com. And my other channel is right up for you. This is my other channel. It'd be Care 504 investing. I could take some, messages or some emails or do a couple of Zoom calls with some of my investing friends. So we kind of licking our chop on a few things and just getting prepared. Politics has a lot to do with the stock market right now, which is down, and it's soon to come up. So there's a lot of buying opportunities. But you can follow me on my page at Care 504 Investing. I just go over and give you my ideas or my opinion or what I think about a particular stock. If y'all send me anything that you want me to just take a look at. All right. Appreciate everything. Thanks to my YouTube channel, all the panels I was on, and I really enjoyed y'all, man. I learned a lot with this whole YouTube thing, and everybody I met a lot of people. Right? If I met you in anywhere, I know I talked it up a lot, but my friends at Uptown, Downtown, those who worked at the restaurant in the French Quarter, and those who I hang cards out to, just give me a holler, and I'll hit you back.